I want to try that one. And of course the white bottles, which is you see me yesterday I did. So let's get started with the swirl look. All right. How's everyone doing today? Ooh, where do I get the pigment? Sorry. And you can just really simple. Hold on. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if I am. I want to do some swirl, so you're going to give it a little bit press. All right. So I'm going to do, there's so many different ways to do swirl, but with this gel painting in the bottle, it was make it so much easier. The gel painting is not like translucent, it's so pigmented, and the consistency is like the bomb. So on this one, we're just using the colors, and we are going to do some crystal placements after this. If you're happy with this, we are going to give it really quick flash here. All right, quick here. Just 10 seconds. Hey Facebook, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello Instagram, hi YouTube viewer. And I'm gonna using pink. You can use this one in like any colors background. It's happened that I just want to do the, I'm going to do it in the black backgrounds, and we are using the other ones. Here you go. And it's so easy and it's perfect to do. It's like really details. Make sure you have stationary as your fingers here so you can hold your brush, stay still. And then we can do another one right here. Happy with this? Want to do a flash here for 10 seconds. Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. And I want to do is yellow. And it's so easy for when you are picking up the gel painting. Thanks so much for tuning in. And flash here for, hey Mama Vic, hey Dom, happy Wednesday. I am doing well, fabulous, thank you so much. So now either you can do it with the gel painting either on Golden Touch or is shimmering silver, but I'm gonna using Golden Touch and see how I'm gonna turn out. So beautiful. Now we're gonna using our tinted brush. So if you don't have a tinted brush, you have a number 2, a single brush. It works as well. Hold on, right here. Where I'm at. Hey Dom. I'm excited with this sword. I feel like...
Hello to all our new viewers just tuning in. So joining in Glitz and such live with Nancy. And she will do some fun nail art for you guys today.
Hey everyone. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. It's really detailed. So, and the gel painting, super easy to do and control. It's not like I like it so much. Super cute. All right, so good so far. It's so girly. That's right, Dom. All right, Kia for 60 seconds. Phun Kia. And now, well, we might Kia's just flash Kia because we want to put some crystal on it. Do you want some crystal on it or you want to leave it alone? So now, if your clients just want swords only, they don't want any crystal, you just top coat it. So now here's a tip and trick if you want to do a top coat shiny on the design. All you need to do is using the top coat with your twin tip brush and then just top coat the part of it and then leave the surface in a matte finish, right? Or if you want, you can coat it. If the client's like, oh, I want shiny all over, then you do a shinies all. But if the client's like, oh, I don't care, I want crystal on it, I want everything on it, then you can definitely do that. So I am gonna do is where's my condensed glue gel? Oh, right here. I'm gonna do condensed glue gels and just using my twin tip brush. I'm gonna do just add the crystal right here. This is gonna be a fancy one. Just right there. I'm not sure if I want to do a top coat all shiny yet, so I'm gonna do it really details along with this because I don't want to get it all shiny over places because my background is matte. So by doing it, I have an option of later if I want, like, okay, I want to leave everything matte and I keep the rest of them shiny. All right. So in the meantime, hey, thank you, Dom. Well, you and Ballis like are really good at painting and said, oh, Nancy, so far so good. I said, okay, good. I learned so much more of you. It's so nice to learn it from each other. So I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat, just drop one drop here. I haven't top coat this gel painting yet. I will in a little bit. After I did with my, hold on. Okay. Coating the no wipe top coat on it, so then when you finish, you don't have to worry about it's like really sticky layer underneath, or you have to. Okay, so I have my crystal AB. You know what? Should we do the neon? Okay, neons or AB? You pick neons or AB. If not, then I will pick it. All right. AB. Ha 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 ha. Mika. Maybe AB. And next one will be is we're going to do a neon. How about that? So one else is.
We'll do both, ladies. Well, we good. So we're gonna start with AB, and the next nail we'll do neon.
Yay! All right. Okay. I'm just like placing my AB. I am using between size SS12, SS10, SS8, SS6. I'm probably going down to SS3. I'm like gradually get a smaller size as I'm going down. You can do however you want. You can do it's all the same size, or your clients like it to be same size. Do what you like, and then your clients like. And then one more right there. And so now, if you want to bead, you can, or like that. Then that one. I'm gonna add the metal beads, which is the gold metal beads. You can do silver, or you can do obsidians, you can do rose gold. However you like. All right. And then of course you can do more crystal here and then here as you wish, okay? You do however you like. All right, Kia,